Email writing. Composing or responding to emails is made super easy with the power of ChatGPT. You need to download a Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store and you're good to go. The extension is called ChatGPT Writer and is super handy. There's a tutorial on their website showing how to use it, but we'll show you a demo anyways. First, go to the website chatgptwriter.ai to download the free extension. Once you're done installing the extension, go to Gmail. With ChatGPT Writer, you can write a new email or respond to a previous email. Go to Compose and at the bottom, you'll see a circle with a flash sign. Click on it and you'll be asked to paste a Gmail you received previously and write a response to that. Or you can compose an entire new email by writing a few prompts in the bar just below that. Briefly enter what you want to email and ChatGPT will do the rest. Replying emails. If you want to write a reply to a specific mail, open the mail and go to the bottom of it. You'll find the option for replying to it. After clicking reply, you will see the same circle with the flash sign. Click on it and you will be presented with a window with the email you want to reply. Assume I have been offered a job at Amazon Ads as a software development engineer. I will ask ChatGPT to reply to this email. From the reply thread, I will click the flash icon and ask ChatGPT to generate a reply by asking about the salary and expressing my interest in remote work. A format response will be generated by ChatGPT after I generate reply. The response can be entered as the reply to the email by clicking the Insert Generated Response button.